Welcome! Today we're diving into how the brain and behaviors of solitary foraging ants can inspire a cutting-edge neuromorphic algorithm for visual navigation. We're excited to present our paper titled Route-centric Ant-Inspired Memories Enable Panoramic Route Following in a Car-like Robot. In nature, ants use a specialized part of their brain, called the mushroom body, to support visual learning and navigate complex routes. This remarkable route-following skill is beautifully demonstrated by the tiny Cataglyphis velox ant, seen here hurrying back to her nest with a cookie crumb in tow. Equally impressive is the Melliferous Bogoti, pulling a heavy load backward all the way to her nest, a true testament to her strength and navigational precision. Only 1 centimeter long, ants process information in their 1.5 millimeter brain. They manage to encode panoramic views through their optic lobes, storing these visuals in the mushroom bodies. These inputs are then processed in the central complex and sent to the lateral accessory lobes for precise navigation. We used AntCar, a 20-centimeter robot equipped with an upward-facing fisheye camera for omnidirectional vision and centimeter-level GPS accuracy for outdoor experiments. The robot was equipped with 2 DC motors for gas control and a servo motor for steering angle. All calculations were carried out on the 8-centimeter Raspberry Pi 4, from GPS correction to the neural model. The fisheye camera's field of view was 220 degrees, and a lower expansion board was attached for batteries and PWM motor management. To follow routes, the neural model encodes visual inputs through subsampling, edge filtering, dimensional expansion, and a winner-take-all function to simulate Kenyan cells. During its first route traversal, an internal view oscillator rotates images to mimic body rotation, learning left and right panoramic views in corresponding memory banks, mirroring the dopaminergic feedback from the lateral accessory lobes in ants. Well, as observed in this preliminary study, during the learning route shown in red, the acquired image in the left corner is rotated and filtered, then represented as an action potential plot to illustrate binary visual information. According to the learning rule, when the agent looks left of the route, the synaptic weights linked to the left mushroom body output neurons are depressed, and the same happens on the right. This continuous learning process highlights the elegance and effectiveness of this algorithm. During route recapitulation, 2 parallel familiarity indices are continuously calculated, one for the left to the route memory bank and one for the right to the route memory bank. The difference between these 2 indices drives the steering angle, while the maximum of them controls the robot's acceleration. We implemented this algorithm to follow an outdoor route of approximately 50 meters. Initially, the robot was teleoperated to learn the panoramic views. Then tested autonomously to recapitulate the path the same day. The memories were stored with a very low memory footprint of about 148 kilobits and successfully tested the next day at the robot's maximum speed of 150 centimeters per second, even after visual cues such as cars were removed. Then the robot has learned and recovered a 20-meter route in a forest-like environment with narrow corridors several times on a semi-cloudy day. It successfully recovered the route even when a static occlusion, such as a black spot covering up to 30% of the frontal field of view. Furthermore, the robot was tested indoors under various environmental conditions. This included navigating a convex route with randomly placed artificial visual cues. Additional experiments addressed the kidnapped robot problem, where the robot was relocated away from the route to observe its adaptive behavior. With a route learned under normal lighting, the algorithm was also tested under high and low light variations. A concave route forcing the robot to turn right was also tested. To assess robustness, 2 pedestrians walked around the robot during autonomous route following. Pushing the limits, the robot successfully recapitulated the route even under extreme visual occlusions. All the experiments demonstrated the robot's ability to follow a route, but not to recognize its arrival at the desired position or the route's end. To address this, we added a mushroom body output neuron, MBON, to learn a specific entry point on the route. During autonomous navigation, the familiarity associated with this place, MBON acted as a motivational trigger, stopping the motors once a set familiarity threshold was reached. We evaluated this approach in a homing task. The robot first learned several views around the starting point, then travelled a 55-metre route, learning the inverted panorama along the way using the same method as before. Guided by 2 route MBONs, it then navigated in the opposite direction to return to its starting point. Upon reaching this area, the place MBON triggered a motivation signal, resulting in a stopping behaviour. To visualize this behavior in real time, we used a foxglove visualization layout. To enable more complex behavior in the robot, we implemented an additional place MBON to learn the other end of the route. Instead of stopping the motors, the motivational rule now inverts the direction of movement each time the familiarity of either place MBON reaches a specific threshold. This 4 MBON neural model, combined with motivational rules, enabled the robot to autonomously shuttle between 2 points of interest. The complete back and forth route covered approximately 150 meters, with the robot driving forward and backward on a one-shot, one-way learned route. This proposed neuromorphic algorithm, implemented as a biorobotic approach with online one-shot learning and exploitation, successfully covered 1.3 kilometers of autonomous routes under varied conditions, maintaining a deviation of just 20 centimeters around the path. Achieving this complex task at a high frame rate of 15 Hz on accessible hardware and software opens up exciting possibilities for applications in planetary exploration, search and rescue, warehouse logistics, last-mile deliveries, and the future of personal and public transport. Thank you very much for watching this explanatory video based on our paper, Route-centric Ant-inspired memories enable panoramic route following in a car-like robot.